is this? Oh my god! What is this? I can smell this all day long. I'm gonna give this advent calendar. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Body Shop Beauty advent calendar. This is the Make It a Real Together advent calendar. I haven't tried a lot of products by this brand, so a lot of these are gonna be pretty new to me. In this one we have 24 products and the price of it is 55 euros. This year they have 3 advent calendars and I'm going to unbox the other 2 as well. So don't forget to subscribe to get notified for those videos as well, and also share this video with a friend that likes advent calendars. This box is super pretty. It has this festive beautiful design with the trees, with the presents, and this reminds of Christmas so much. They claim that the overall value of this advent calendar is 101 euros. We're going to check that at the end of this video, so stay tuned and let's see what it hides for us. This advent calendar smells delicious. Door number 1 is here. The first product is a hand cream in mango with mango seed oil from India, and we have 30 milliliters. I'm not very familiar with their products, so I don't know if this is a full size or a mini size, so let me know in the comments. And also this one is cruelty free. Body Shop is a brand with cruelty free products. I'm going to open it. It's so tight. I've made it. Oh my god, it smells so nice. I'm not a huge fan of products that have a mango scent or mango flavor, but this one doesn't have a very artificial scent. Super cute. Door number 2 is next to this cute cat here. Ooh, what is that? It smells amazing. This one is the Moringa Bath Bubble. It says Bain Moussant. I have no idea. Maybe this is French. I don't know, my friend, I don't know. I have learned French in high school and also at the university, but I don't remember any of it. I never practiced and I forgot everything. I'm not gonna open it because what's the point? I think this one has a heart shape. So here we have door number 3. Ooh. We have here the Almond Milk and Honey for sensitive and dry skin shower cream. We have 60 milliliters, so I'm guessing this one is a mini size. Oh my god, it smells really nice. I like this scent a lot. It smells amazing. This is exactly for me. I have sensitive and dry skin. Here we have door number 4. And we have some hair ties. No! And we have 2 hair ties, Empowered and Be Brave. These are products that I don't like in general for me and I never use them, so I'm not gonna open these. These are basically elastic bands that you can use as a bracelet or on your hair. One strike! And door number 5 is like a square. Maybe we have like a bronzer. I think they also have makeup products. Am I right? Oops. Oh, I think it's a soap. This is a handcrafted soap with a shea butter from Tamale, Ghana. This is a full size. The scent is a little bit sour. It reminds me something citrusy. For today I have a cup of tea because the weather is getting colder. Cheers! Door number 6 is very small. Maybe we have a lip balm. By the way, it is very easy to take out the products from this advent calendar. It is not like the Benefit advent calendar that I was fighting with it to give me my products. The new product is the lip butter in strawberry. We have 10 milliliters. This one looks like a full size. And I'm very curious about the scent. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It has a very original scent of strawberries and it's not artificial. And by the way, let me know in the comments if you have any favorite products by the Body Shop. Are there any products that you buy again and again because you love them so much? Just let me know in the comments. Door number 7 is on the logo. Oh my god, I'm destroying the advent calendar. And this one is a loofah. And we have the logo of Body Shop. This one is very pretty. I also wanted a new one, so it's very handy that I found it in here. Oh, this one smells. This is the citrusy scent. Why does it have a scent? It is close to another product, most probably. This one is very soft. I used to have another one that you can also exfoliate, so I'm very curious if I can do that with this one. Door number 8 here. It's, as you can see, You can take it out pretty easily. This is the Instant Glow Body Butter. The scent of it is British Rose. We have 50 milliliters. This one has such a nice scent. In this video I say that a lot. This one has a very nice texture. It is a little bit thicker because it is a body butter. Door number 9 is also round, so maybe we have something for the body again. I was right, this is the Exfoliating Cream Body Scrub in Coconut. We have 50 milliliters and let's see. In the beginning it smells very coconutty, but now it has like an artificial scent. Maybe it is just in my head, who knows. Door number 10 is on the cut. This is a truly nourishing shampoo and it is for normal to dry hair. For my hair, because they are very damaged from the last coloring. We have the scent of banana in here and 60 milliliters. So let's see how it smells. I'm not the biggest fan of banana scents or flavors in makeup products and beauty products, so most likely I'm gonna give this one to my husband that loves the scent. Yeah, that's not my cup of tea. This is, oh, I'm so funny. So I'm wondering if we're gonna have any makeup, and this is door number 11. Oops. The next product is a hand cream with handcrafted shea butter from Tamale, Ghana, and it says again shea. This one is also 30 milliliters. So I'm guessing that this is from the same line with the soap because we have exactly the same icon. So maybe you can also find these in a gift set. Oh my god, this smells very nice. This is my cup of tea. Door number 12 next. And we have a shower gel. This one is the shower gel in mango and it looks again like a mini size. So I don't know what is the difference between the shower cream and shower gel. Maybe you're using the shower cream after the shower gel. Let me know if you have any ideas in the comments. I'm not the biggest fan of mango scent either. I think I'm gonna give this one to my husband again. 13 here is a little bit bigger. And what is this? Oh my god, we have gloves. These here are bath gloves. You can use them with shower gel for hands-on exfoliation. I didn't know that we can find a product like this one. And I'm very curious to use it. They are super cute. Door number 14 here. And I have no clue. It's something with strawberries. This one here is the shower gel and it looks so delicious. Let's sniff it. Oh my god, it smells amazing. I can smell this all day long. So good. And door number 15, it looks like a hand cream. This one is definitely a hand cream. Found it! This one is the hand cream with pink grapefruit seed oil. It is exactly the same size that we got again. So until now we have 2 more hand creams. The variety is not the greatest. I'm not a huge fan of this scent, so I'm gonna give it to my mother. She's gonna love it. She's very into skincare and body creams, so definitely I'm gonna give her more products of this advent calendar. We have door number 16. This one smells pink grapefruit. Okay, so this is the coconut fragranced coconut bath bubble. This one also has a heart shape. I'm hoping that I can have a lot of bubbles with this bath bubble. Door number 17 is different. Maybe we have makeup. This is a nail file. On one side it says, I like the way you smooth, and on the other one, give me a hand. I think both of the sides are very hard. We have the festive design on both of the sides of the nail file, and this is a full size. That's great. I didn't know they have also nail products. Door number 18 here. Ooh, another bath bubble. This one is the pink grapefruit bath bubble. Yeah, I don't like the scent, so I'm not gonna keep it. And this one is pink grapefruit sentenced, fragranced. Door number 18, 19. Oh, another shower gel. Nope, it's not a shower gel. And this one is the Truly Nourishing Conditioner for normal to dry hair. This one also has a banana scent, so I'm not gonna keep it. Ooh, so we have the shampoo and the conditioner in this scent, and my husband takes them. And door number 20 is very tiny. I'm guessing that we have a sharpener. This one is the lip butter in the coconut scent. Oh my god, I think this is my favorite scent from all of the products today. It is yummy, yummy. Let's continue with door number 21 here. What am I doing? Just try to open it. What is this? Oh my god! What is this? And we have here 2 hair clips. One of them says fearless and the other one unstoppable. Oh my god, they are so festive. I'm gonna try them now. These are a little bit tight. Ooh, they are very pretty, but you cannot really tell what they are saying. Okay, what do you think? I prefer the red one because it is more noticeable on my hair and you can actually read what it says. They are actually cool, I like them. Door number 22. This is another shower cream in coconut. Oh, this one also has that artificial coconutty scent. Maybe after application it smells better. 23 is very small as well. I'm guessing it is a lip butter. Found it, and this is the lip butter in mango. I'm not gonna open it because there is no chance I'm gonna use it, and it is super cute. So 24. This one is a body butter for sensitive and dry skin, and we have it in the scent almond milk and honey. So I'm pretty sure this smells amazing. It looks very creamy and beautiful. I'm here with my notes again. Moment of truth. I don't like the variety of the products. We could also have some skincare or makeup products. For the variety, I'm not going to give a star. They also have a lot of Christmas gift sets and products, but we didn't get anything Christmassy in this advent calendar. For that reason, I'm taking half a star. We also got a lot of mini size products. I don't know about you, but I'm going to use that shower gel in 3 days. Definitely. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 3 stars. Also, the overall value is not 101 euros, it is 95 euros according to my calculations, of course. Let me know in the comments if you like this advent calendar, and you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the beauty shop, the body shop beauty advent calendar. This is going to be perfect for those cutting soap videos. When you start watching them, you cannot stop.